Hey guys, I'm really excited to review the Sharden 153-in-1 precision screwdriver set. I think it's a great product, and everyone who wants to do it yourself for your computer, laptop, game console, glasses, electronic toys, any devices for all their repair and maintenance needs to have this as well. It comes with the magnetic mat itself, so you can work on it so you will not lose any screws and everything. Let me open it up. Let's look at the precision screwdriver itself. Look at the ergonomic design, the non-slip cover, as well as the spinning stop on the cap on the top. This makes it really important because with this, you can continue working on your devices for a long period of time without having any hand fatigue. Let's take a closer look. It includes all essentials, the magnetic tweezers, suction cups, even the small screwdriver set, the extension, and look at all the precision bits. If you look at it, all these are really superior quality, crafted from high quality CRV steel that makes sure that these will last for many years. Each bit, if you look at it, any bit, each bit is precisely PNC machined to ensure a proper fit and protect both the tip and the fasteners from damage. All these bits are very tough yet are soft material, so make sure that it will not make any scratches or damage your devices. If you notice here, each and every bit socket is labeled, so it really helps with organizing it better and finding all these bits, right? The best part, it comes with the Sharden's lifelong warranty as well as the money back guarantee. I think it's a great product, great quality, very well organized, and so easy to carry around that you can take it anywhere you go. I think it's a must-have for all your electronic repairs and maintenance. Great product.